Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about Bhavik Chokshi's FR regular batch and fast track batch review. What books do you get? What other materials you get from him? And a very short review from my side of how the classes are so far. If you want an in-depth review, please watch out for my other video where I will deep dive on how the classes are so far and what are the pros and cons about him for FR regular.
So guys, this is unboxing. I think the books were delivered via Blue Dart and it came within 1 or 2 days really fast after ordering and was packed really nicely. As you can see, there's a outer plastic layer and inside there's a like a paper envelope which protects the book from damages. And I had to use my scissors a lot and it took some time opening, but you can see here are the books and voila, all the books. So the first one is the FR Shield, which has all the notes for all the Indies. Second one, Volume 1 for your question bank, and the third one is Volume 2 for a question bank. So you can see there is one books for notes and there is two books for questions. So there are a lot of questions for all the Indies, and the books are really good. The notes book is something which I really liked.
So coming to what all do we get from these FR classes? All the lectures are shared through Google Drive and they are shared as a folder. As you can see, we have test papers, test answers after the batch was launched. The notes means the entire board notes, whatever sir writes, he shares, and it's a huge PDF. All the lectures and how to download notes, and there are like these. I think these are some separate notes which he has shared. Yeah, these are separate notes for the class in case you don't get the book in time. So I'll show you how the videos are actually played through content browser. I think most teachers use this software only to play videos, so you cannot use dual screen and play these. And you have to just use the software to use the videos. And this is the FR regular notes PDF. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the entire PDF of 1335 pages of all the index, whatever questions sir solves. Okay, in case you missed to write something, if you missed any note, all backups available. If you want to study from other ideas before you start, you want to study that notes are there. So in case you want to see the presentation again, everything is here. So the review about Bhavik Chokshi. Should you go for him? Should you not go for him? There are so many options. What should you do? The short answer is yes. Just straight up close your eyes and take his classes. There are some teachers who will give you conceptual clarity, and there's some teachers who will make you solve the question but lack conceptual clarity. Chokshi has the best of both worlds. He deep dives on each concept, gives us good notes about each concept, and makes us solve questions about these concepts. Also, few good things about his classes are he makes us pass journal entries whether it's not even asked. He makes us pass so many journal entries about various scenarios, which makes our concept stronger. Also, additionally, what he does, like if a question is saying do something in XYZ, he would ask, okay, what if ABC happened instead of XYZ? What would you do? So your mind gets prepared. If the question is changed, or if IC asks a different question, you know what to do. So it is very good in that way. It is well grounded. His classes are well structured, and everything is covered. So that is what I feel good about his classes. There's so many questions solved, questions ka formats, how to solve the question, what to write, working notes. So it is overall a very good class. And if you prefer classes which are oral done in English, I think you should just go for it.